Hi friends, this is your week 8 overview. I'm just going to show you a couple of things that you might need this week when you are working at home. Okay, so you'll notice each week, each day is broken down and there is a folder that goes with each day. So for this one, for example, Federalists versus Anti-Federalists. The nice thing about this week is we're working in our notebooks or our digital foldables that we made copies of last week all week long. Okay, so this should be in your Google Drive. Okay, you should have your own copy. You might have to search it. Remember, we titled it your first and last name, so you might have to look that up, and it should be a Google slideshow. So friends, here's what it looks like in case you forgot and you need a visual. Okay, so this is what you made a copy of. It should be in your Google Drive. So depending on where you are this week, whether you're at home or whatever, there might be some resources in each of these folders that you might need. So look at this, whichever folder for each day, but all the directions should be in your digital foldable. So for example, let's say you're doing Federalists versus Anti-Federalists today. You're going to go to that tab, which is in the Google slideshow, and read the directions. Okay, so it says read those pages in your digital textbook. Remember, there's a textbook chapters folder in Schoology, and then you're going to fill out this chart, and then there's a link to a game that you're going to play related to Federalists and Anti-Federalists. Okay, so same thing. Let's say later on in the week we're looking at Bill of Rights. In your digital notebook, you will navigate to the Bill of Rights pages. Okay, and it will give you directions. So illustrate 6 different important rights granted to us in the Bill of Rights. Draw and color your images on paper, and then you'll take a picture and send to your Google Drive and upload to your notebook. And then you're going to describe each one in the speech bubbles. You can just type right in there. Okay. Notice that you have more than one day to do the Bill of Rights pages because there are 2. Okay. So use your foldable for all the directions, but you might have a couple extra resources or even just things to help you out if you're struggling. Check these folders because there might be some stuff in there that might be helpful. Okay. Have a great week.